Hi friends, today I am here to give a small introduction to cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a new way of thinking when delivering IT-enabled business services like application development and test. In other words, we can say that cloud computing is the use of hardware and software to deliver the services over a network, typically the internet. With cloud computing, users can access files and use applications from any device that can access the internet. An example of cloud computing provider is Google's Gmail. Cloud computing network. What is cloud computing network? It is a type of infrastructure where network capabilities and resources are available on demand through a third-party services provider that hosts them on a cloud platform. The network resources can include virtual routes, firewalls, and bandwidth and network management software, with other tools and functions becoming available as required. Companies can either use cloud networking resources to manage an in-house network or use the resources completely in the cloud. The network is critical to cloud computing. That is, the network is the base of the cloud computing. By saying in 2 or 3 words, no network means no cloud. Here are some few points. What is without network? Users cannot access their cloud services. Application data and users cannot move between clouds. The infrastructure components that must work together to create cloud cannot. Next, attributes of cloud networking. There are 5 attributes given here of cloud networking. 1 is scalability, 2 low latency, 3 guaranteed performance, 4 essential management, 5 self-healing resilience. These are the 5 attributes of cloud networking. Characteristics of cloud computing. Cloud computing's characteristics and benefits include on-demand, self-service, both networking access, and being very elastic and scalable. The National Institute of Standards and Technology (NIST) defines cloud computing as it is known today through 5 particular characteristics. The essential characteristics of cloud computing are: 1. On-demanding self-service, 2. board network access, 3. resource pooling, 4. rapid elasticity, 5. measured service. These 5 are the essential characteristics of cloud computing. Cloud service models. There are 3 types of cloud service models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. First, infrastructure as a service. An infrastructure provider, that is IP, makes an entire computing infrastructure available as a service. It manages a large pool of computing resources and uses virtualization to assign and dynamically resize customer resources. Customers rent processing capacity, memory, data storage, and networking resources that are provisioned over network. Second cloud service model, that is platform as a service. Service provider supplies the software, platform, or middleware where the applications run. Service users is responsible for the creation and updating the maintenance of the application. The sizing of the hardware is required for the execution of software is made in an understandable manner. Third cloud service model, software as a service. Service provider is responsible for creation, updating and maintenance of the software and application. Service users access the service through internet-based interface. These three are the cloud service model. Coming to the conclusion of this topic. Cloud fears largely stem from the perceived loss of control of sensitive data. Looking to the future, adoption of the cloud computing by enterprises will be driven by several factors including user preference and business priority. Nonetheless, delaying the adapting the current law of cloud era may impede success of this technology.